Imagine a city running smoothly till one small Pokémon appears. Meet Pikachu. Cute, maybe. Dangerous. It's absolutely Pikachu, the electric type Pikachu. In games, it's just a helper. In real life, every spark is 100,000 volts strong. Shock could fry appliances. Econo, more just one Pikachu could overload the city's power grid. Streetlights fail. Hospitals go dark. Elevators stop mid-floor. A single Pikachu could literally shut down an entire city. Imagine a city mid-commute. Cars short-circuit as traffic lights die. Panic spreads. Emergency services can't even respond because the grid is fried. Pikachu stores electricity in its cheeks. In real life, an average Pikachu stores millions of joules of energy. That's enough to knock out substations, fry wiring, and even cause small fires. So next time you think Pikachu is harmless, remember, if this P-Asian world were real, it could literally crash our power grid. Cute, yes. Safe, not even close.